vlog. Thanks for watching my video and supporting me. Today I'm going to show you how to make kurkure. We don't need to buy kurkure from outside. We can make this at home. Please try this recipe. It's very easy to make. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're seeing my video first time, please do subscribe. Let's go to kitchen. For this we require rice flakes, corn flour, besan, chaat masala, salt and chili powder. First we will grind the rice flakes. Please make it a fine powder. See, now it's a fine powder. Now add the besan powder. Mix well. Take a pan and pour 1 cup water. Now add salt. Let it boil. Once it is boiled, off the flame. Gradually add powder. Mix well. Now just close and keep it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, put this into bowl. Make a dough. Now add corn flour. Add some oil. The dough is ready. Now take small portion and make kurkure shape. Like this. If you roll it on the finger, you will get a kurkure shape. Like this. Now we will fry this. Once the oil is boiled, put it at medium flame. Now we will fry. Just close for some time. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, open the lid. Again close and keep it for 2 minutes. Now we'll take it out. Again continue the same process. So now it's fried. See, very crispy. Now we'll add masala. I'm using chaat masala and chili powder. If you don't want chaat masala, you can add salt and chili powder. See, my kurkures are ready. Chili powder and masala you can add as per your taste. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.